Residents of Cecil Garden in Spanish Town, St. Catherine are now on edge following the killing of a man in the community who is said to be at dawn for the Walks Road area. The man, who the St. Catherine North Police are yet to officially identify, was shot and killed about 10:30 p.m. Monday. Residents say they heard loud explosions, and after the shooting subsided, the body of the deceased was seen lying on its back with gunshot wounds to the head. The Westmoreland police are renewing their appeal to locate relatives of a female whose decomposing body was found in Chantilly district in the parish on Thursday, June 1. According to reports, the body is about 168 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall and was clad in a blue blouse, black and red hooded jacket and blue jeans shorts. It has several tattoos, including 3 stars on the right side of the face, footprints on the chest, and Alicia on the right shoulder. Reports from the Savannah Lamar police are that residents stumbled upon the body and summoned them. On arrival of the lawmen, the body was seen lying face down in a drain. The scene was processed and the body was removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem. Meanwhile, detectives are asking anyone who may be able to identify the body to contact the Savannah Lamar Police Criminal Investigations Branch or Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. An electrician is dead as a result of injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle collision in Point Hill, St. Catherine on Sunday. Dead is 66-year-old Leon Green of Old Works District in Watermount, St. Catherine. Reports from the Point Hill police are that about 4:50 p.m. the driver of a motor car in which Green was a passenger was traveling along the Watermount Main Road in the parish. Upon reaching a section of the roadway, the driver allegedly swerved to avoid a pothole and collided into a motor truck which was traveling in the opposite direction. The police were alerted, and on their arrival they assisted the injured to hospital where Green was pronounced dead and the others treated and released.